Hi and welcome to this video. Today we're gonna play, you guessed it, Bomber Crew. Yes, we're just gonna start out with the new game skip tutorial. Yeah, I already have so many, but like, I won't even. Yeah, so we're just gonna overwrite that one. So there's a screw key we can get. I always start out with buying the guide to the winter jumpers, because they just give a little bit extra and they don't give any minuses, only give good ones. So, yes. And here we have the aircraft, what do we call it? I think it's gonna be the Danish 2014. And I think we'll also take the livery and then we'll take the waste text. Take a black or white. What is it? I just think we take black. Change livery text. Let's be honest, it needs to be the same. And yes, I have a keyboard with boom boom and boom. Right here. Look at that! Oh, so, anyways, see what missions we have. What, so there's nothing there. Just look, battery dump, ammo dump. There's no doubt. So, we always start with the battery ammo dumps. Okay, like that's actually how they sound. Well, I've played this game since before. So did she appear? I don't know what we're gonna call them. I think they can just keep their names for now. Yeah. So for now we're just flying over England. Nearly, and I think that's flag. Yeah. Okay, wrong. It's been a long time since I last played this game. We're gonna move him down to the bombing station. Select the bomb. I think all of them just wanna. We're just overlaid like that. Perfect timing. But the thing is, I just watched 9 years. Oh my god. Hunter, run. So we bombed one of them. And I think there are two we could have and I wasn't. I can't tag them right now. Why can't they just eat them? We'll just take that, then we'll take the other one. I can just bet on internet. Goodbye. Okay, good shoot, good shoot. Good shoot, good shoot, good shoot. Okay, are you ready? Take photo. And we're turning around. Oh, you're on tag, aren't you? Yeah, so that one's gonna take two. So we got this. Running low now. But we got this. Shit, I would have. I would eat this. Just to focus and the game's. Radar to spot something. Radar. Okay, so this is nearly Disney. Ja, bra. Först vad ska jag nu komma in? There are marked now. So you can just return. If I was you, I would be careful with it. Right now, didn't see here. It's up. Guys, 3, 5, 6. 3 little fighters sitting in the sky. One failed. One got shot down and got killed by the impact. And we're back. Bye bye. We're back check. Yo, fuck first hunter. Fix that. We didn't choose your position. Okay, so there's just not gonna be any other fights. Also, no fighters in Jesus because we're enough of England, so yeah, why would I also take over the English canal? Where's the English canal? I don't know, and I don't care. That's good. Hunter, sit back down. Hunter, I don't give a frick. And just the white hunter. Three, 2, 1. This is beautiful. Well, I think we can get another mission. Okay. So yeah, that's good. That's good. And their damage is also down, so this is perfect. Guys. Do we have oxygen? Yes, a small oxygen. Okay, we're gonna give that to all, except for Hunter, Hunter, because he is nature brother. Well, hey, Stancy, come on, get this. Some would probably say that it's a spill of time. That might be. Well, if I insist. Now already? Okay, I feel like that's a little bit unfair. That after one he already. No, it is always that. We're just not gonna be upgrading as much as the other ones. Many people say that's ugly. I don't think so, but I'm with you. 6, mid over, and then what's this? We have something like that. We have the extinguishers. Oh, we can just put them. Good for us. And we're gonna get into the breathing. We got this. Move the factory to see break. Search and rescue. Okay, well, I think we'll take the search and rescue. Perfect. Well, as we're taking off now. Off to go to France. That's a good place. Off. No, not just at France, but like down there, close to France. You know what I mean. The supply is to be dropped from low altitude. The container has a parachute. It will drift this truck too high. Okay, we need Hunter down here. Okay, so this one up here, it's fine, it's loaded. So we know it's fine. And our hydraulics, as soon as we go into this, they can start. Fix them, please. I'll let you go down to the vents. Down to the vents. Clear area of enemies. There's no one in our radar. It's actually really hard to spot them. Remember to drop the supply truck loop altitude. Yeah, with definitely the. Then you know where, 6 supplies. Okay, I think we can make it. Just lucky enough. Okay. Whoop. Is that good enough or is this fine? Just come at me, come at me. Okay. 6 enemy fighters, is that too much? No, what is this? Explain. It holds everything. Who do we have here? You know him. Me about the two. Yeah, we don't think so. Okay, we're at the A next moment. So you ain't even hitting shit even with focus. Why do you have focus on that? Yes! Oh my god, you actually training. They actually got tricked. We're gonna die. And then we're gonna take them. This is a good maneuver. In this situation, oh, we got those planes now. They're irritating, a little bigger. But again, they're just right. Going back. We need to guard our Spitfires. They were the ones that got us to find the wall. Oh shit. So you could have shown me that a little earlier. Run for it, bro. We will do an emergency landing. As an emergency dive. So it's an emergency dive from Timo. Because one of our engines is good. Okay, no, go back now. And you're out, okay, so... Why can't we hit those powerful moves? You know what? Shoot! Shot at my knee, I wouldn't need to, but yeah, make the shortcut. Just shoot! It can't be that hard, it doesn't take me enough. Shoot it. Why do you want me to focus on the ball? Thank God. Why did I take shoot it? Yes, and we can head back to England. I'm just saying back to England. I ain't doing bullshit. I ain't taking shit. Abort payload. Aborting the mission. Shit, 100 if I was you. 100 if I was you. I'll just in this thing. Is anybody that needs? No, I'm in the F. The engine doesn't look like it's having a sound. Well, turn back to your place. Do launcher. And then, which no magic heaven? I love you all you and who's with half of you. Sorry that just speak Danish, I didn't mean to. And we're the plane? Fine. Us? Fine. The engine? Not so good, but still fine. You ready? 3, 2, 1. Peel. Then we're gonna push here. Well, let's just see what we got. That we didn't get any photos of that. I'm really happy about that. Well, that was a successful mission. Thank you for watching this video. We'll just see what we get. Yeah, we went a little up, but like still, got size and that. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time.